Hi everyone, and welcome to another Cheltenham video. In this video we're going to be talking about Google Ranking Factors 2020. But before we jump into this, why don't you subscribe to our YouTube channel, or if you'd like to leave a question or comment below, that'd be great also. Google has over 200 ranking signals that they use to rank a single website. In this video we're going to be talking about four major sections of those 200 ranking signals: domain factors, the page level factors, the site level factors, and also the backlink factors. So let's jump into, first of all, domain factors. These are all the elements that Google look at from your entire domain. So they're going to look at your domain age, if a keyword appears in your domain, also if it's a exact match URL, so hotels in London for instance, the domain history, so if it's been owned by one person throughout its whole entire history of a domain, or it's been owned by multiple people, it's been dropped and sold on auction. And also if it's a country extension TLD, so if it's a French website .fr, .de, .uk for UK, so on and so forth. So these are all the main domain factors that Google will be looking for. Next, we're going to talk about site level factors. So this is going to be split into domain trust, site architecture, site updates, how often you update your website, XML and HTML sitemaps, server location, so if your website is hosted in the UK, the US, Germany, France, etc. SSL certificates, this is now officially a ranking signal, so are you now HTTP or HTTPS? Breadcrumb navigation, really crucial, very important, and then site usability also. Next, we're going to talk about page level factors. These are factors on a single landing page that Google may be looking at. So we need to ensure that the keywords that you want to rank for within the Google search are optimized in the title tag, the description tag, the H1 tag, and also within the page content. Google also looks at keyword prominence. So is a keyword at the top of a page, within the top 100 words, or is it in the below half, below the fold? Content length. If it's a really high quality article, you're going to be having 500 to a couple of thousand words versus 500 words. Moving down, Google also looks at latent semantic keyword optimization. When we try to describe a company like Apple Computers or Apple Company, you would ensure that you're talking about a company and not the fruit. Then we're talking about page load speed. So we need to ensure that a website loads fast for users. Mobile friendly. We know that over 50% of all search traffic is now coming through mobile device versus desktop PC. Duplicate content. We need to make sure that each landing page has unique content on it, so Google doesn't flag it as duplicate. Rail canonical. So this has been around for many years now, and if you're using it correctly, you can ensure that Google doesn't find duplicate content. Then we're going to talk about image optimization. It's really key to make sure that your images are optimized for Google image search. Content freshness, to ensure that you're putting blogs and other articles on your website on a monthly basis. The number of internal links pointing to your page helps Google understand how important that page is to the full architecture of your website. But next we're going to talk about broken links. So the more broken links you're on your website, Google knows that you could potentially be losing visitors and overall website trust with also Google, but also the user. And then overall domain authority as well, which is really key. Next, we're going to talk about backlink factors. So we've got linking domain age, number of linking root domains, number of links from separate Class C IP addresses, links from EDU and governmental websites, authority of linking page and domain. Contextual links, so links within content, are they in the top of a page content, the middle, or at the bottom? Country TLD referring links, so if, let's say, you're a UK company and you're getting links from a .de or .fr, that potentially would give you less ranking signal versus getting links from a .uk domain. Excessive free on redirects to pages could be a problem for you. Backlink age, so how long have you had the link pointing to your website. And natural link profile, to ensure that you're getting links from a diversification of different types of websites and different types of anchor text. So I hope that video was really useful for you. We've now gone through Google Rank Factors of 2020. Feel free to leave a comment or question below and I'll reply back to you. Until next time, take care.